I'm Mrs. Yates. I will be teaching you reading this year. Come on into my classroom. Okay, so today I'd like to talk to you about the supplies that you will be bringing to 5th grade. It's a little bit different this year. The only thing that teachers will collect is the dry erase markers and copy paper and tissue. You bring in tissue. Also, we would like you to not bring all of the supplies at once. Just bring what you need, and then as you run out, you can replenish your supplies at school. So we suggest that you have a simple box to keep your pencils and colored pencils and highlighters and pens in. A box will work, a bag will work if you want to zip one in, anything that will be able to contain your supplies. We also highly recommend Ticonderoga pencils. They seem to work the best. This year, what's different, we will not have pencil sharpeners in our classroom. So your child needs to have a handheld pencil sharpener. And these are not very expensive. Some of them are better than others. This one I like. This is a Fiskar. You can get it at Walmart, and it works quite nicely. Sharpens the pencils up very nice. So we are doing this in order to keep safe, so we don't have to get up and share a pencil sharpener and stay in our seat, and you will have it there with you at all times. That also you can keep in your little tub. We also, glue sticks, just bring a couple so you have them inside your box, so whenever you need to use them, they're available for you. And then also, you need something to color with. It's all right if you bring only color crayons or only colored pencils or only markers, just something to color with. If that can fit inside your little cubby or your little pencil box, and everything will be nice and organized in your box. We also, each teacher requires that you have a folder and a spiral. So just a simple pocket folder like this will work. So you have 4 teachers this year, so you need 4 folders. Also, each teacher requires a spiral, something like this. So you will need 4 of those also. Oh, you will need 5 of those because some teachers use 2. Okay? And then if you can have, you don't need a whole package at once, but if you can buy some pens for some correcting and note-taking, that would be great. Also, any classroom cleaning supplies, if you would like, any classroom cleaning supplies would be appreciated. Also, you all need your own pair of scissors. I used to keep a big bucket of scissors for everyone to use, but this year we're not going to do that, so you need your own scissors. And everybody in the room will have their own space to keep all of their supplies. If you look over here, each classroom has a cubby, and all the books that you need for your class will be stored there. And at the end of the day, you can also put all of your pencils and all of your supplies into the cubby. And also, you will have a folder for your homework that you can stick into your backpack and take home. Also, one thing different this year is all the teachers will be having this little cart. We will all travel with our carts to each of the rooms. So the room that is your homeroom teacher, that is the room that you'll be staying in for all of your classes. And your science teacher, Mrs. Davis, she will come in here and teach you in your seat. And then Mrs. Scorza teaches math, she'll come in, and Mrs. Krause teaches writing and social studies, and then she will come in. So the teachers are rotating instead of the students themselves. All right, one other thing I'd like to mention before I end is, this is very important. We are staggering dismissal. So, fifth grade is the last to go. You will be leaving school from specials. So after specials, you'll have your backpack and you'll be ready to go. Parents, if you are picking your student up, please don't come until 2:30, 2:35, because we are having kindergarten go first. So all the parents in the pickup line will be out there. Kindergarten is at 2:20. Second grade is at 2:25, and then 3rd grade through 5th grade is between 2:30 and 2:35. So as you come to pick up your child, just keep that in mind. We want to try to keep the primary grades in the car line in that order. And then bus kids will just take you right out to the bus. All right, I can't wait to see you on Monday. Have a great weekend.
Hi y'all, this is Miss Kraus. I will be your 5th grade writing teacher and history teacher. And I am so excited, along with a lot of my friends, to welcome you into our 5th grade classroom this year. Okay, before I start with my list of things to talk about, one thing I want to add to Miss Yates' list is that we would love for all of you, if you can, to have your own pair of earbuds or headphones this year. That way you can use them with your device and we don't have to share, and you can bring in whatever that you want to use to connect to the devices so you can have your own headphones. Now, let's move on to my list. I get to talk about our schedule this year. It's a little different from last year. You're gonna come upstairs in the mornings if you come off the bus or you come out of parent leave, and you're gonna sit outside our 5th grade classrooms. If you're going to have breakfast in the morning, go to the cafeteria, have your breakfast, and then come straight upstairs. The teachers upstairs will help you find your spot. We're gonna space you 6 feet away in the hall. I would suggest maybe having a book or something to draw on, or coloring if you want to sit in the hall, or work on some math facts or things like that, so you're not bored sitting in the hall until it's time for class. Then you're gonna have 4 classes back to back. And for you online folks, that's gonna be a long time sitting, but that's how our schedule works out this year. We'll start at 8 o'clock and we will end about 5 till 1. You'll have all 4 of your core classes back to back with a different teacher. The teachers are gonna rotate, you're gonna stay put, but you'll do science, math, reading, writing, and social studies all in the morning. Then at 10 till 1, we'll go to lunch, and then we'll have recess, and the last thing of the day, you'll have special area. If you're an online student, Miss Davis will give you your schedule for special area, because you'll have to log back in at the end of the day and connect with your special area teacher to finish your day. Then we'll dismiss at 2:30. Parents, dismissal is going to be a little different this year. K1 and 2 are going to dismiss a little early. 5th grade will not dismiss until 2:30. It's probably wise, if you're just picking up a 5th grader, that you don't get in the parent leave line until after 2:30, because you're going to be waiting until that time, maybe even 2:35 before our 5th graders are dismissed. So if you don't want to have to wait a long time, wait till the end of the line. It goes faster anyway. Now, I get to talk about the fun part, snack. My favorite part of the day. You don't have lunch until almost 1 o'clock. So we have a scheduled snack time at 10:20. Even if you're an online student, your snack time will be scheduled just like the in-class folks at 10:20. Make sure that you have a snack. We will not be providing snacks, and we can't share snacks, unfortunately, so everybody needs to have a snack of their own. Please have a water bottle of your own. No sodas. Water's really good. We can refill them, but the water fountains will not be available this year for drinking out of, so make sure that you've got a water bottle for the day. We can refill them throughout the day, so have something that's pretty easy to fill up. I would suggest having something for snack that's going to keep you fueled and ready for the remainder of the day until it's lunchtime. So have your own snack, and we'll do that about 10:20 each day. Last thing on my list is everything that we've talked to you about today will be in a parent letter in a folder that will come out to you on the first day of school. If you have any questions, we'll have multiple ways for you to get in touch with us through ClassTag or our emails. Send a note, send smoke signals, whatever you need to do to get in touch with us to answer your questions. Please make sure that all signed material gets back to school as soon as possible. Yes, I know if you have a 5th grader, you've probably filled these papers out 5 or 6 times, but you need to fill them out again. Also, throughout the year, it is extremely important that you keep your phone number current and up to date with us. If you change your number, please let us know as soon as possible. This year, it's more important than ever. Your student will have a planner every day that they will write their homework down in, and test dates and projects. No, I don't have any homework is not a good answer from 5th graders. Don't believe that without checking their planner, please. And initial the planner to let us know that you've seen the homework assignment or you know what's coming up as far as tests and projects and that kind of thing. Usually they do have something to do, even if it's just reading every day. So I don't have homework doesn't work. So just letting you know that that planner will be there. I think that's about all that I have. My friends and I can't wait to see you in our 5th grade classroom. We're very excited. We're gonna keep you safe, we're gonna keep you secure, we're gonna keep our hands to ourselves and our mask on our face when we need to, and 6 feet apart, but that doesn't mean that we can't be here and have a good time. So, can't wait to see you, have a good week, and that's it from 5th grade.